Hey everyone, sorry that the picture's a little bit spotty, but it's raining. Well, it's been raining all day. It's about to rain all. This is our one break in the day where it's not raining. It's about to get a whole lot worse. Um, Welcome to Frosty Nutz 2019 at Wilga State Park in Ascutney, Vermont. Last year it rained a little bit, drizzled. It has rained all day. We're supposed to get an extra 1.5 inches tonight alone. The low tonight's 39. The low tomorrow, 33. So we're gonna be cold, very very cold. Supposedly there are 70 RSVPs for this event, 70, and then it's paid too. You have to pay $25. So that covers your camping spot. That covers the food and some really delicious homebrew too. So let's get up there and say hello to everyone. I'm way overloaded right now, but I packed extra clothes for sleep tomorrow. I packed an extra pillow and an extra sleeping pad because my back has been hurting, as you guys know from a previous video. And what's up? Oh, sorry. And yeah, I'm overloaded. And I also bought 4 750s of 20% ABV beer. Because they're getting old, they need to be drank. And never mind on that rain. And there'll be a lot of people there, so I got to share. Plus I bought a bottle of bourbon. So obviously we're there for the night. We're not going anywhere. But got the waterproof Endurostand 4A tank bag on here. Heated seat is on, heated grips are on. I mean, really not much you can really do about this kind of thing. It's just going to rain. Just wear the appropriate gear and try not to rain to people. That was just someone took my spot from last year. A camper. What the hell is this shit? Alright, Wilga State Park. And I like doing the drive-in videos into the park, but honestly, it's probably not even going to come out because it's so damn wet on the lens. Sorry, everyone. I wonder where the fire is this year. Looks like it's ahead of us. Got a sidecar set up. Is that G3? No, it's not G3. Is that? Huh. That's where the food is going to be. Let's take this one. It's a good place to be, I think. This will do. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Shit, it is muddy. Alright, we're here. Let's say hi to people. Alright, we're here. So that's where the main fire pit will be tomorrow. And lasagna and all that good stuff. But they decided to, thankfully, do that tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be pasta and homebrew. Tonight is finish for yourself. That thing is fucking massive. Besides the enlarger. So I think I'll set up right here. Let's do it. Well, the rain has stopped. We'll let it begin. This is the Battle Mountain 2 tent, by the way. It's a 4-season tent. I have 4 of the 6 strings out. We're supposed to get some high winds. The rain has stopped, but it's supposed to be another 1.5 inches tonight of rain. So, we got our Moscow dry bag off to the side here, just chilling out. And everyone started singing already, so we're gonna go sing.
Through the dam. Wow. It just crashes through the dam.
That's pretty fucking cool.
Unless you're out swimming.
It's raining. Just left the Windsor Diner. This is going to be a shitty vlog, by the way. No stabilizer. My back is killing me. I couldn't even get out of the tent this morning. I was so exhausted. It's in so much pain. So, yeah, I almost called for help. To protect the citizens for years now. All right, let the B-roll commence. So, Packing Dirt and I went out, did about a 25-mile loop. Just dirt, that's all. Great time, got back, my back was killing me, of course. So, luckily, as it starts to dry out, suddenly everyone arrives. Where were you all last night? That's what I want to know. But, yeah, we had a good time, though. I just basically took us on a big loop around the Ascutney area. It was fun. These guys showed up from New York/Connecticut area. All four of them supposedly watch these videos, so that's pretty cool. They're the only bikes there that had knobbies, which I can appreciate. So good job, guys. They all had brand new tents, very decked out, perfectly suited GS riders. The homebrew showed up, and now finally, the best thing that we do at the MOV and the Yankee Beamers is eat. So actually, that might offend some people, but good food. So we had some sausage, some pasta, charcuterie, uncured Polish sausage, the homebrew, of course, and as you can see, all of a sudden people are starting to show up. Not the weather is nice, but yeah, it was a great time. Good times were had by all. They had a Sierra Nevada Pale Ale clone they had homebrewed about 6 weeks ago, and it was pretty delicious. Pretty good. Look at this guy right here. Whoop! Right in the back, like a boss. But then he screwed it up and he redoes it. But his friend's concerned. Obviously everyone's concerned that you're going to drop the bike. No, he just does it again. Really, really impressive. Whoop! No momentum, just he goes right up there. And, food was had. What else? We had good conversations. Yeah, it was a great Yankee Beamers event. I kind of wish I could have stayed longer. You all fed me, which was great. Thank you so much. And, I had one beer, even though I don't drink and drive usually. I had 4 ounces of a beer. And an hour later I drove. But, yeah, as usual, just a great time. And so now I'll kind of just cut out and let the clips talk to themselves, and then I'll do a little wrap-up. All in line. No, I'm good, thank you. Sorry, I should have warned you.
Well, hopefully I'll meet up with you again sometime.
You will.
I'm going to start doing a lot more things now.
Okay.
I'm starting to finally figure out how to actually do group rides. So.
There's always a place to stay at my place if you want to come up and just crash and then go north from there.
When we come up, we do a lot of riding in Mass, and we're starting to come up into Vermont now.
That's true, because you're in New York. It's even further away.
Well, I'm in Connecticut, so I just shoot up 91 in 1 hour.
All right.
All right, man. Have fun, all right?
See you later. Jesse, good luck. Sorry. Bye, guys. Bye. All right, we are leaving. I always leave on Saturdays when most people are just getting settled in. But I'm, so it's 44 right now, which isn't that bad, but the low tonight is 33. Could be 32 by now, I actually don't know. But I'm ready to go home. Mostly because my back is really fucked up. So, I just need to get some bed time tonight. It is gravelly. Alright, we're going home. Yeah, recording. Okay. Well, maybe. It might end up failing when I hit save. So, I have gotten the habit of turning it off. But then when I turn it off, it's still dying in like 20 minutes. So, we have a situation where, like, I'm going through batteries every half hour, and the clips that I did get, or I look at my side view mirror, my rearview mirror. Actually, while this plays out, I'm going to record some voiceover here. What's going on is the GoPro lasts about 20 minutes on a battery. That's normal. What I usually do is I record and stop, and then it stays on for like an hour. And then it'll eventually die like after an hour and a half. But I'm recording it intermittently, so I'm not having to power it on and power it off. Well, nowadays, it dies in like 20 minutes whether I'm recording or not. And then if I have the thing completely turned off, it still dies every hour or two with the GoPro off. So it has this weird battery draw issue that's causing this. And then finally, when I do record, sometimes it records and then it actually records for like 5 seconds and then it's just audio. The picture is totally still, which is what you're seeing right here. And then also finally, it sometimes records in mono instead of stereo. It screws up with the audio. It's just, the GoPro Hero 7 visually looks really good, but it's eating up memory cards. It's dying too quickly. Audio is screwed up. Video is screwed up. Here are some great pictures. Thanks for watching. I'm going to try to fix this GoPro issue. Wish me luck. And yes, I'm using the official card that GoPro recommends, and it's still failing. I don't know what to do. Either way, Frosty Nutz was a blast. We only did like 25 miles of riding. Still a good time. My back's feeling better today. Thanks for asking. You guys have a great week. Ride safe and rock on. Thank you, Yankee Beamers, for hosting an amazing event once again. That is all. Goodbye.